All right, I'm here in the Price Chopper kitchen with Amy Hodap. She's the owner of Pinspire, and she's going to show us how to make a DIY project that is a perfect for a gift. Now, first thing, this is not our first time working together.
It is not.
Now, the last time that you and I worked together, before we'd even started, I had glitter all over myself.
Yes.
So are we working with glitter today, first of all?
It's contained to a snowflake, so
okay.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
Perfect. All right, well, what are we making?
Okay, I'm gonna let you do this.
Excellent.
Because I know how good you are at this. So, okay, super simple. Here is the end result of what we're similarly looking for here.
Okay, so take a nice picture of this, and here
This
when
is
I'm
what
done, we're gonna have a compare and contrast.
Okay, so we're gonna use a smaller 10-inch and a 12-inch grapevine wreath.
Perfect.
What you're gonna do, I'll turn it so you can be towards you.
Okay.
You're gonna grab that wire.
All
You're
right.
gonna cut off a pretty considerable amount because we're gonna end up attaching those two together. So
all right, so like a couple feet or?
No, you're good, that's good, that's plenty.
Plenty. Well, you
there
said considerable amount, and my
considerable.
considerable amount of wire, our considerable amounts are different.
There you go.
Okay.
This is easy enough for
By the
you
way,
to do.
pink wire snips.
There you go.
Did you know?
They're good, they're good.
Okay.
And then you're just going to wrap that.
All right.
To connect those two, just kind of.
Just kind of get in there and just get it.
Keep it going, kind of tighten it down.
Here, you keep
and then
chit-chatting of what we're going to do here as I struggle with craft.
So you're going to just keep wrapping that around there.
All right.
And the next thing involves glue, hot glue.
Hot glue.
Are you ready?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well, we're going to try it. I think you got this.
I'm only scared of a few things, wasps and hot glue guns.
Okay.
But.
All right, so you've got your snowman attached. We're
okay.
going to have two pieces of our snowman. We can make him bigger if we wanted, but today we're only doing two.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have your little hat that I'd already pre-cut because I figured, it might be easier that way.
Okay.
You're going to just kind of glue this piece on, just kind of across the top to give him a little decoration there.
Decoration on his hat.
Yeah, so just a tiny little bit on the back side of that, just a couple dots.
Just a couple dots?
Yeah,
okay.
and then you just put that on the hat.
Is that a big enough dot of hot glue?
Yep, that's good. Yep, you're good.
Okay.
You don't need much.
There we go.
There you go. You can put that down, and then we're going to add this as just kind of a little extra.
All right, so go ahead and put this down on the hat?
Yep, just kind of put it wherever you think it'll look good on the hat.
Now, tell us real quick about your shop, Pinspire. Where can people come find you and go do these fun projects if they want to?
I'm in downtown Lee Summit and in the nice historic district down there. So
do I put that on here or on the?
Yeah, you can put it wherever. You can glue it on there or on the hat, wherever you want to put it. And I'm upstairs in a loft at 12.5, and so nice little cozy little place upstairs. And
you know what? The last time before I had been to Lee Summit downtown was like 10 years ago, and I thought, oh, this is really cool. And then I visited you in the spring, I think, and
I think so.
Lee Summit downtown has come a long way in 10 years.
Amazing.
There's so much fun, neat stuff to do down there.
It's amazing. So yeah, you can make a day of it. You can come craft, you can shop, you can eat. We got lots of stuff downtown.
Okay, I finished my hat.
All right.
I think I'm taking too long and chit-chatting here.
You're good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, while you do that, I'll let you do this while we put the hat on. So since I cut this little piece, I just wrapped that kind of around the mitten because there's wire pieces
there is
left
wire
over.
in the back there, yeah.
So I just found the piece just kind of on the sides there.
Okay.
Just kind of attach the hat.
Is that an actual piece of ribbon that you could buy that has that wire through the side like that?
Yep, it is a wired ribbon, and I just did that to kind of make it simple, and we just kind of attach this here.
Okay.
So this is super simple, simple enough for anybody to do.
Yeah.
Kid over Christmas break, that kind of thing, if they're looking for an activity or something to do.
And you know what? I had a gal bring in the olive wreaths the other day, and she had spray painted them white. That might be a fun thing people could do as well.
Absolutely.
So, all right, here, let's get these attached here.
Him.
Here, do you want to do that? I'll work on or you want to work on the scarf here real fast?
All right, I'll let you.
Can we do it in 15 seconds?
We can. We can.
Do I hot glue this on there or just go like that?
Yeah, just hot glue his mittens on. Make sure they're going the right way. Thumbs the right way.
Is that the right way? Oh, I don't know. Which way? Thumbs are on the inside. Okay, there we go.
So then you can just cut the ribbon any length you want him to be.
Oh no, his little thing fell off.
Uh-oh.
Oh well. We'll fix that later.
So you can just wrap it up and tie it off, and there you go.
I love it. It's a cute idea, and mine didn't quite get to the line. He's got one hand and half of a scarf, but we'll fix that up during the break. So Amy, thank you again for being there, and I only got a little bit of hot glue on my hands.
Good deal.
Belinda, over to you.